So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can see historical charts of stock market crashes. And now in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for macrotrends.net/2481 slash stock dash market dash crash dash history slash. Be very careful with the URL. If you write it wrong, then you won't be able to reach to the site. Now once you go over there, all you need to do is just simply click on this option of download historical data, and it will generate a file for you that will give you all the detailed analytics of stock market crashes that have been happened in previous couple of years or previous couple of time. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.